Hey, what's up guys, hope all feeling well. So if you have a Galaxy S25 Ultra, so there's a new update available that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video, we'll check out that update. So for that update, simply go into the settings of your phone, then tap on software update. So the last update was of January 1st, 2026. Now you have the latest February 1st, 2026 update available. With the update size of 590 MBs, this is the new security patch update that you guys are missing out. If we talk about that what's new available, so this update includes some security improvements and some bug fixes that were there before. After downloading this update, you just have to simply restart your device to complete the installation process, but make sure to restart it when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during this installation process. And once the installation process is completed, your device will automatically restart, and as you can see, your device is on the latest February 5th, 2026 security patch update. There is another update also available, so for that go into the security and privacy, and from here tap on updates, then tap on Google Play System Update. So there's a new January 1st, 2026 Google Play System Update available that you guys might be missing out, so you can check this out as well. Now further, if we talk about the OneUi 8.5 update, so the OneUi 8.5 beta 6 has been released. So if you're a beta user of the OneUi 8.5 update, so you can check out this update. And if we talk about the official release, so the Galaxy S26 series will be shipping from the March 11. So after that, we can expect the official release of the OneUi 8.5 update for the Galaxy S25 series as well. So you can expect this official update in the end of March or in the month of April for the Galaxy S25 series. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some new updates available for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.